Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete all password manager data on Opera. So from the home menu you click on Opera icon at the top left corner of the screen and then scroll all the way down to settings, click on settings. You can also get here by using the shortcut, keyboard shortcut, alternate plus P, and you can see the sidebar. And click on the gear icon from the sidebar like this. Let's bring you here. Once you're here, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down till you see advanced, click on advanced, and then you see the first option, password manager, click on it, and then you click on settings on the left side and you can see delete all password manager data. Now if you do this, you're deleting all the passwords, the pass keys, all the data that are they'll all be permanently deleted from your password manager. If you still want to continue, click on delete, and then to show you you're about to delete your password manager data saved on this device, show you how many passwords, how many pass keys, and it will remind you that if you continue, your password, passkey, and other data will be permanently deleted from password manager. Any account you created for sites or apps will not be deleted, but the password, passkeys, and data collected will be deleted. So if you want to continue, click on delete. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Now don't forget, Opera wants to delete your password manager data. Type your Windows password to allow this. This is for additional security. Put in your password and click on OK. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more.